Hey everybody, so it's still Sunday the 12th, and I just walked up on probably one of the best pieces that I've found maybe ever. I can't believe how beautiful this thing looks. I have not touched it yet. It is huge and it looks beautifully made. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Holy smokes, look at that thing. Oh, please let that thing be whole. It is huge. Oh my God, that thing is humongous. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, I gotta wash this off. Perfect tip, everything. Still has a needle tip on it. Oh my gosh. Look at that thing. Wow. That is just amazing. Completely whole.